Did you know there's a place in India where clouds rule the land? Welcome to Meghalaya, a state so wet some villages here receive the highest rainfall on Earth. Massive clouds crash into steep hills, forcing rain to fall almost non-stop. Deep caves, living root bridges, giant waterfalls, and endless green valleys cover the land. Some bridges here aren't built with steel. They're grown from living tree roots. But Meghalaya isn't easy to conquer. Thick fog can erase visibility within seconds, and remote mountains make travel extremely difficult. Which means Meghalaya's beauty exists because its geography is so powerful. Wild, beautiful, untamed, science and nature together. Follow for more.